Finance Example 10. So any respectable financial planner will tell you that you should be putting 15% of your yearly salary into a retirement account. The 15% includes any amount your employer is setting aside for you. So suppose Liam is 40 years old and Liam makes $48,000 a year. So how much does he need to put into his 401k every year to meet the 15% recommendation? So you're going to find 15% of means multiply $48,000. So when I multiply those two numbers together, I get $7,200. Okay? Alright, so it looks like Liam is wanting to put his money away every quarter. So how much is this every quarter? Well, we're going to take that 7,200 and divide by 4. And it looks like Liam will be putting away $1,800 every quarter. Alright, so it looks like Liam is willing to take moderate risk with his money. He figures Liam can expect to average about 6% interest on his investments. Let's go ahead and write that down. So he decides that even if his salary goes up, he'll just stick with the same deposit every quarter. Okay, so Liam is not just putting a huge lump of money into an account. He is putting a regular amount into an account every quarter. So that is not compound interest. This is going to be an annuity, and specifically a savings annuity. So his regular deposit is going to be $1,800. We just found that from up here. Okay, so Liam plans to retire at age 65. Well, we need to do a little figuring out here. He's 65 and he's having this conversation when he's 40. So when I subtract those two, I'm going to get 25. Okay, and we were talking about every quarter, so N is going to be 4. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and put this into our formula for annuities. So here's our deposit that we're going to make every quarter. Okay, so 1 plus the rate divided by 4. Okay, and then that will be raised to the 4 times 25. Okay, and then we have the minus 1. Okay, all over 0.06 divided by 4. And again, if you do not have the fraction mode on your calculator, you have to have a parentheses here and here, and some people choose to go ahead and multiply that out to make it 100. Okay, so pause your calculator and see what you pause the video and see what you come up with. And I'm coming up with $411,845.48. So again, that we want to know how much interest will he have earned. So he is only putting away $1,800 just 4 times a year. He's doing that for 25 years. Okay, so that looks like he will be investing $180,000 in to his retirement. So this is an interest. This is how much he'll end up with. So clearly the difference between the two is going to give us how much interest he will have earned.